Welcome everyone. Why do we need meditate? Maybe you might think, oh, my life is wonderful now. I don't need to meditate. Meditation is only for those people who have problem. Maybe problem in your mind, mental problem, or material problem with your relationship with your husband and wife, or in your life, at work, or lost your job, you are unhappy, depressed, then you should learn meditate and to make your mind calm and peaceful. Otherwise, no need to meditate, But, of course, meditation is good for when you have problem to make your mind calm, peaceful, and joyful. But also, even you have no problem, if you meditate, it's good for you. You can do more. Your mind becomes more peaceful, more open. It is good for you to allow to manifest your own basic goodness. What do we call basic goodness? You have love, compassion. You have wisdom. You have joy. You have capability and power already exist within you. By meditation, it is good to allow you to manifest your basic goodness. And this way your mind naturally become calm, peaceful, and what we call pliable, walkable. It means normally our mind is like crazy monkey, blah, 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 blah. And you cannot control your mind. Mind controlling you, the monkey mind controlling you. But by meditation, you have the control. That's why your mind becomes calm and peaceful. And of course, meditation is good for when you have problem. Problem become your friend. Okay, let me tell you my own experience. Okay, I will tell you one special story. No. Not very special. Maybe you already know this story. When I was young, I had panic disorder. Although my parents are wonderful, I have very kind mother and father. I was born in northern part of Nepal, right middle of the Himalayas. In fact, I have one of the highest mountain in Nepal, snow mountain, glaciers, very nice, beautiful. In the morning, sun radiates to the mountain, and the glaciers mountain become like golden color, so nice. But although I have nice family, nice environment, but panic follow me like shadow. And I was looking for some solution. And my grandfather was also a very good meditator. When I look at him, he's meditating peacefully, calm, very nice. I inspired by him. Nearby my house, there are a lot of caves. I think in the Himalayas, there's a lot of caves. And sometimes I ran from my house to the cave, pretending there, meditate, although I have no idea about meditation. I just sit there, what should I do, wondering, and maybe fall a little bit asleep. And one day I thought, what should I do? I thought maybe I should say something in my mind, say some words, what we call mental recitation. And I did that. Feels nice. Feels like I did something, although I don't know what I did. When I was 9 years old, I asked my father to teach me meditation. My father was a great meditation teacher. But I'm shy to ask him directly. I approached my mother to ask my father to teach me meditation. And my father was accept. I was so happy. But first I asked question, saying some words in your mind, is it that meditation or not? He said, yes. I was so happy. Then I learned many meditation techniques. How open your mind, open present, open awareness, and how to use panic, not only the panic, any other circumstances as support for meditation. Make friends with the problem. And how to bring your mind calm and peaceful and become pliable and walkable. I learned a lot and I was so happy. But I am lazy boy. I love the idea of meditation, but I don't like the practice of meditation. This is why I still suffer by panic. I feel fear for dangers, fear for natural disasters like snowstorm, earthquake, and sometimes there's fear without reason. Just I get dizzy and my heart beat raise and sweat sometimes without reason. Then when I was 11 years old, I moved to India, a place called Shirabling, and I learned a lot of meditations from many other teachers. But again, I'm lazy. But when I was 13 years old, there's traditional 3-year retreat going to start. I thought, oh, I should join in retreat. But I'm a little bit afraid that maybe they may not accept me because I'm too young. But I asked through my father to ask His Eminence Rinpoche, which is head of our monastery, and he kindly accepted. And I can join in 3-year retreat. But first year of 3-year retreat, my panic get worse. And special when we in the group prayers, sometimes we use some music instrument. Boom, boom, This noise drive me crazy. And I have to go out of the prayer session. I cannot join, But most of the time we are meditating alone in the room. That's why I feel happy about it. But I'm not really applying meditation technique. Then one day I asked question. One day I asked myself a question, which is, I still have 2 more years to go. That's why I thought, do you really want to apply meditation technique or not? Or do you just want to spend like this unhappy with 2 more years? Then I decided to apply meditation technique with my panic. I sat in my room for 3 days using my panic as support for my meditation. My panic was gone. What I found was there's 2 ways to make problem. One, you say, yes, sir. Second, you say, hey, get out. This is why, yes, sir, or hey, get out. These 2 are the problems. Do you want to learn yes, sir, and hey, get out? I will teach you. Okay, what is the meaning of yes, sir? Any message from panic, or what I call crazy monkey mind, I don't mean a bad way. Monkeys are nice. I'm not insulting the monkeys, I love monkeys. But they are very, very active, That's why mind is active a lot, going around, and mind tell you bad messages. Oh, there's danger, they're fearful, there's a problem. You say, yes, sir. Whatever you say is true, sir. I believe you, sir. That's the problem. Then panic become your boss. Or you say, hey, get out. Panic, I don't like you. Then panic become your enemy. Maybe I will show you a little bit. The boss is like this, blah, blah. You say, yes, sir, yes, sir. All right, for 24 hours. This is kind of tired, yeah? And second, hey, get out. Shh. What are you talking about? Oh, leave me alone. And then this become enemy. That's why I make little drama. That's why you understand. Okay, now what I did is, I said, hello, good morning, good evening. Panic is, hello. Nice. This is why now panic become support for your meditation. Not only with the panic, any other situation, depression, low self-esteem, anger, shame, guilt, panic of panic, fear of fear, resistance of anger. These are what I call booster of emotion. Anything you can use as support for your meditation. Not only the problems, even form, sound, smell, taste, sensation, just normal thought and normal emotion. Everything become cause of meditation. Everything become cause of joyful experience. And you can be happy all the times, everywhere, with any under any circumstances. Okay. This is why meditation is very important. Without meditation, maybe I cannot be here. Maybe I'm still hiding in the cave somewhere in the Himalaya mountains. Because of meditation, I'm here. I'm giving you this talk. Because of meditation, I make friends with my panic. And I wrote 2 books because of the experience of meditation, to make friends with my panic and problems. And your mind become stable. What I call the goal of meditation is develop your inner joy, inner peaceful experience. There's wisdom, there's love and compassion, and there's kind of a strength of power within you. And this joy, this peaceful experience, none it depend on outside circumstances. This is why what I call inner joy. And this joy is not like stock market, up and down. It's stable. Why? No need depend on outside circumstances. Even any problem become cause of develop the inner joy. This is good for you, good for your life, good for your health, good for your body. Okay, now let me tell you more about science, because I'm not only me here saying about this benefit, or my teachers, even scientists. I was joined in some experiments, like University of Wisconsin and Berkeley University, University of Harvard, and special in the University of Wisconsin. They test my brain. They put me in big machine called fMRI. It's shaped of white coffin, and there's some sort of like tongue coming out, I have to lie down on that, and they tied my head, here and here, and they put me big earphone here, and they put me inside the machine. The machine is like tunnel, dark, cold, very noisy. And then I have to meditate on 3 meditation techniques. Open present, first. Second, concentration. Third, loving kindness, compassion. And the scientists are in the next room giving me instruction. Okay, now you have to meditate on compassion for 90 seconds. Stop compassion, compassion, stop compassion, compassion. Which is nice. And they are having fun, drinking tea or coffee, sometimes eat some hamburgers, maybe. And then the result of this, what they told me is, I am totally crazy. I was disappointed. No, I'm joking. Not only me, they also study with other meditators. They are 16 or something. And what they see is there are very big change in your brain and special left prefrontal lobe, around here. This activity increase enormously. What I learned with scientists, 3 important things. First, what they call neuroplasticity. It means your brain has capable of change. Maybe 13 or 15 years before, neuroscientists, they don't believe that. Your brain has capable of change. If you are born with unhappy, rest of your life will be unhappy. But nowadays, no, you can change. Even if you are born with unhappy, you can change to a happy person. That's why there's hope. And second, one of the best way to change is apply daily meditation. They also make experiment with novice, the beginner, the university student. They don't have any idea about meditation. They give meditation instruction for them, and they apply every day 1 hour. After 8 weeks later, they develop left prefrontal lobe between 10 to 15%. This is only for 8 weeks. Third, that positive change in your brain is good for your physical body, immune systems. There's many other studies, also ongoing study, like other universities. They talk about good for your heart, good for your blood circulation, diabetes, respiratory tract infections, and stress reductions. Many other benefits. So now, I want to add one more. This is from my laboratory. No, I'm joking. My one is good for your life. Why? Happy mind, healthy body. Of course, it's good for your life, yeah? This is why your life become wonderful, joyful. That is the benefit from meditation. Okay, thank you.